so you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Come inside my heart if you're looking for answers. Look at the stars, go a little bit faster.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, how are you today? My name is Guru Maris Al-Fatihah, and today I will be your tour guide at one of the most significant historical sites in Indonesia, the Pancasila Sakti. Located here in Lubang Buaya, East Jakarta, this place is not just a museum. It is a memorial to honor the soldiers who did protecting our national ideology Pancasila. Today we will explore several important spots including the famous well, the historic house, and the main monument. Let's go inside.
Every breath you take and every move you make.
Next, this section shows the abduction scenes, where the generals were taken from their home by force. The atmosphere was tense and frightening. Here we also see exhibits that describe the violence and cruelty experienced by the victims. This reminds us that this event was not only a political conflict but also a humanitarian tragedy.
Now we are standing in front of the Great Monument. As you can see behind me, there are 7 statues of our revolutionary hearts. In the center we see General Ahmad Yani. Behind them is a large bronze Garuda, the symbol of our nation. This monument represents the strength of Indonesia. Below the statues there is a relief that tells the story of the G30 SPKI event and how our military and people worked together. The atmosphere here is very calm, reminding us of their great sacrifice for our freedom. This is the most crucial part of our tour. This is the Old Well or Lubang Buaya. It is only about 75 centimeters wide and 12 meters deep. Historically, on the night of September 30th, 1965, the small well was used to hide the bodies of the kidnapped generals. Imagine how dark and tragic that night was. It was found later on October 4 years. When you look at this well, you can feel the deep history and the struggle of our heart.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now standing in front of a diorama that represents the September 30th movement of 1965, commonly known as G30 SPKI.
Next, let's see this original house. The buildings were used as a common post and a kitchen during the event. Everything you see here is exactly as it was in 1965. I highly suggest you take a look at the furniture and the simple architecture. It shows its real situation back then. It feels like we are traveling back in time, right? Please remember you can take photos here, but please do not touch the artifacts to keep them preserved.
In front of us is a classic Dodge truck which dates back to the mid-20th century.
If you want to see the details of the event, I really recommend you to visit in Pancasila Sakti East Jakarta.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our tour today. I hope you enjoyed the short explanation. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.